Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day so far and welcome to today's video, which I am super excited for because I have one of the new Charlotte Tilbury mystery boxes and I think it's the best ever. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so Charlotte Tilbury gifted me one of her latest mystery boxes to kind of share with you guys, but with a catch. So if you watch my video on my last mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury, you will know I'm not allowed to tell you everything that is in here. I am allowed to tell you the most exciting product. I don't know, it may be the most exciting. I think it's the most exciting product in here. I am allowed to tell you that. I am also allowed to tell you that what is in here is worth double what you will pay to pick this up. I am allowed to tell you that there are 6 products for full size, and I'm also allowed to give you as many clues as my heart desires, and I desire a lot of clues, okay? I am pretty confident that the vast majority of you, especially if you are a subscriber here and you know me well, you know what I like, you know my personality, you're going to be able to work out what's in here. But quick disclaimer, last year when I made this video, I did get quite a bit of moaning. I did get quite a bit of people who were very cross with me for not ruining Charlotte Tilbury's mystery boxes and just telling you everything that's inside here. So just to cover all of my bases, obviously I'm not allowed to tell you. They sent me it before it launches. It's a mystery box. I'm obviously not allowed to just ruin it for everybody. That would defeat the object of mystery boxes altogether. So no, I am not allowed, I cannot just tell you what is in here. And I know a lot of the people who were very cross about that last year were then saying, well then what was the point in making a video anyway? So to answer that point, the point was because I wanted to. And actually the rest of us who got into the spirit of the video had a lot of fun. So give it a chance, give it a try. I promise you might have fun, you might enjoy the guessing games. And also, like I said, I make my videos for my subscribers. My subscribers know me very well. They know a lot about my Charlotte Tilbury love affair. I have a lot of Charlotte Tilbury products. I've made a lot of Charlotte Tilbury videos over the years because it is my favorite brand. So if you have been here before, you would easily be able to guess what's in here. And if you are new, there's a lot of OG subscribers in the comments section who are 100% guessing correctly. So even if you have never been here before, you don't know me, you don't know my preferences when it comes to makeup, you've no idea what I'm on about with these clues, people are guessing correct in the comments section, okay? So just with a little bit of scrolling, you too will be able to guess what's in here. So try not to shout at me for not ruining Charlotte Tilbury's mystery boxes and instead get involved. Have some fun, I beg you. So here she is. She is available right now as we speak, 12th of July. This little beauty could be yours. Let's take a goosey gander at what's inside. So I am going to start off with the product that I have been told I can tell you is inside, and it is the Beautyverse eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this palette. It's so versatile, it's so beautiful, the mattes are unbelievable, the shimmers are stunning, and it's super wearable, and it has this glorious packaging. Just look at that classic Charlotte Tilbury packaging. It's just always utterly glorious. Look at that. Imagine the possibilities. So that is the only product that I'm allowed to confirm is residing within these mystery boxes. So now let the fun commence. So next up we have a full-sized skincare product. This is a very hydrating product. Some of the claims are that it gives you pollution defense, provides radiance and revitalizing hydration, digital fatigue skin rescue, hyaluronic acid matrix, niacinamide and kombu extract are some of the sexy ingredients in there, and it's not a cream. Did you get it? I want all your guesses in the comment section. The next full-size product that we have in here is a skincare product, but it's not for the face. And it is a variation of probably Charlotte Tilbury's most iconic skincare product. I feel like you should be able to get that easily. Anyone can get that, right? Next up, we have a product that I'm wearing today. Okay, I'm wearing it today. It's my holy grail in its category, and this is a mini size, but it's a really good mini size, and it is my holy grail in its category, has been since the day it arrived, and I'm wearing it right now. Any ideas? No, didn't think so. Okay. Next up, we have a glowing goddess product. That doesn't really narrow it down. I know when it comes to Charlotte Tilbury, all of her products pretty much are glowing goddess vibes, aren't they? This is a product that has a permanent range of shades for Charlotte Tilbury, and the name of this shade is my favorite drink, especially at a wedding. Any guesses? I'm assuming I'm also allowed to tell you there is, of course, a miniature magic cream in here. That may have been naughty. I don't know if I'm allowed to tell you that, but it's in here, perfect travel size. I took this exact travel sample of her magic cream on holiday with me, and it lasted the entire week as my sort of daytime moisturizer. It's a really good size. And finally, we have one of Charlotte Tilbury's most viral makeup products. It is in the perfect fairy shade that if you like a bit of glow and you like a little bit of fairy dust on your cheeks in a very girly colour, I don't think you'll be disappointed. Unless you already have 100 of them. I feel like I gave you about 48 clues in there, okay? Who do I think I am? Taylor Swift? Okay, so quick price tally. Obviously, I worked this number out in my head in approximately 2.5 seconds. So that is the value for money from this box. I think it's an excellent one. I really love that it's kind of got something for everybody. It's got some skincare, it's got some makeup, it's got some products that you just can't have enough of because you're always restocking on them, you know, and it's got some products that may be new to you or something that you might be a repeat purchase for you as well. So there is no duds, there is no trying to get rid of something that wasn't a popular product. These are all really popular viral products for Charlotte Tilbury. So I think it's an amazing mystery box. If you don't own the entire Charlotte Tilbury line, like some of us do, then I think you'll really love this box. It's excellent value, of course, and it's just so much fun to open and see what is in there, isn't it? So there you have it. That is the Charlotte Tilbury mystery box game for this year. I hope you enjoyed this and found this fun and didn't get too irate with me and start screaming in all caps that I'm not telling you everything that's inside it. I can only apologize, okay? My hands are literally tied. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and you were able to make some successful guesses. Maybe have a look at other people's guesses if you've got no idea what's going on. But I hope you enjoyed this video and I would love to see you in the next one. Otherwise, take care for now. Bye, 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 bye.